Hey guys, Jopela is here again with another video. So in the last video, this is what we did. We designed this template and I told you I'm going to be making video on how to drive traffic to this particular template we designed, right? So that's exactly what we are going to be doing right now. And if you are just joining the channel, my name is Jopela and I welcome you to Worth with Jopela. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video so that it will help YouTube algorithm. All right, so let's get right into it and see how to go about driving traffic to this particular CPA template that we created. So what we need to do now is to go to a website called Linkvertise. So this is the website right here. So linkvertise.com. So I'm going to open this website in another tab. So here we go. So as you can see, this particular post has 3.6 million views in 5 months. This one has 700,000 views in 2 months. This one has 463,000 views in 1 year. As you can see, if you come down here, you will see a lot of videos with a lot of views. As you can see, in 1 week, this video has 235,000 views. Okay, and if you notice what they have in common, all of them are game inclined. All of them are game inclined. All right, so what we want to do is to create a post like this, all right, with our link, all right, with our offer. Okay, before we go and proceed with getting our links and setting up our account on this website, I want to show you the number of traffic this particular website is generating in a month, so that you understand the potential of this. You will know the potential of this particular website. So as you can see, this website is number 1514 in UK. That means it's generating most amount of its traffic from USA. As you can see, this website has 28.9 million views. All right, so if you come down here and you will see 50% of those traffics comes from United States. Okay, so and these are the countries that we want in our offers. We want to show our offers to this country. All right, so meanwhile, we've designed a template here. This is the template. So let's see how to get into this particular website. Okay, so if you come back here to this Linkvertise, so you will see this publisher.link. Okay, publisher.linkvertise.com. So all these links, I'm going to link them in the description below. So we want to sign up as a publisher. All right, so click on open this particular website in another page. So what you need to do is to click on register. Okay, so click on register, then enter your details here. Okay, enter your details. It's not something technical, so just enter your details. So I think I have an account with them, so let's see. So here we go, I'm in. So I'm going to change the language to English here. All right, so this particular website here, they also pay you if you are having a lot of view. Okay, if you're having a lot of view, they are going to pay you, as you can see, credits. So this is where you are going to see your earning. So we are not actually focusing on that. We are focusing on getting traffic to us, getting people to complete our CPA offer. So what I'm going to do here is to click on create link. Okay, so once you click on that, you are going to see this particular page. So what you need to do is to pick this particular page. This is your template. Pick it, paste the link here. Okay, paste the link there, then click on this next. Click on next. So it's going to bring you to this page. Anyways, so what we have here is the title. Okay, this is where you are going to add the title of what you want to post. So what you need to do is to come back here and see the offer. As you can see, Clash Royale online generator. So I will urge you to download this image because we are going to be needing it. Download this image. I don't know if it's the same image I'm downloading. Okay, it's the same. So okay, so come back here and type in something like, so we have this here. Okay, so what else? Okay, link title. So you can just see something like, okay, so anybody seeing this will be like, how can I play a game and win $1,000. So come here again. So this is detailed description. So come back here and enter detailed description. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to type in something like the game. Okay, so come down here. Okay, so this is where you're going to add image of the game. Okay, sorry, this is a section where you are going to add FAQ. So go ahead and add them here. Click on this to upload the image we downloaded. Okay, so we have one image, so I'm going to upload the image here. So here we go, here's the image. So click on OK. So we have the image, then click on next. Okay, so click on next. So you are here now, click on next again. So it's going to bring you to this particular page. All right, so this is the link that was created. So click on finish. So that's exactly how to promote that particular link on this website. All right, so you will be generating tons of traffic to your link. Okay, you're going to be generating tons of traffic to your link, to your offer rather. So guys, this is where we are going to stop for this video, and I urge you to create different and many links here. All right, so you can create like 10 to 20 links. All right, so create it and leave it there. So you will be generating money on autopilot. So you can just come down here. Okay, see what people are posting about. Okay, see this person is posting about Minecraft. So design your template to look like Minecraft. Okay, so come here again, take a look at this Roblox. So design your template to look like this. My GTA, Fortnite, Roblox. Okay, so design your image, your landing page to be just like that. All right, and the ones you are seeing here, some of them are also affiliates like you. All right, some of them are affiliates that they want people to complete the offer. So as you can see, this particular one is premium. So let's see, most of them are there because they want people to complete some offer to do something. Okay, so this is just what I have for you in this video. Right, so and if this video gives you value, please like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.